Good morning students. Welcome to 6th Moral Science class. Today we will start Unit 8 Welcome Guests. Students, in this chapter, firstly we will learn about a story about the hospitality of two peasants. Once upon a time there were two peasants. They were husband and wife. They spent their day looking for food. In the evening they would come and rest on their favorite tree in the forest. One evening, the wife returned home early. As usual, she was waiting for her husband when suddenly it started raining. She started to worry. "Where are you, my dear? You never get so late," she whispered to herself. Just then, she saw a bird catcher coming towards her. In a case, he had a pigeon. It was her husband. "Oh no, what shall I do now? How will I help my husband?" she said. She tried to distract the bird catcher, but all in vain. Just then, it stopped raining. The bird catcher sat under the tree. His clothes were wet. The poor wife sat by her husband's case and she started to cry. The husband said, "Don't feel sad, dear. We now have a guest. This man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help." Hearing this, the wife flew around getting dry twigs. She made a fire for the bird catcher. Then she looked at the bird catcher and said, "You are our guest. Since I have no food to offer, I will jump into this fire. In few minutes, I will become an edible item for you. You can eat me." By now, the bird catcher was surprised by the hospitality of humble peasant couple. He at once stopped the wife from jumping into the fire. He opened the case and set the husband free. "I have been cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird in my net again," said the bird catcher and went away. So, students, in this story we have learned that how the bird catcher have welcomed how the two peasant couple, peasants helped the bird catcher. So students, now we will learn more about some hospitality. First is in Indian culture, the value of guest. This is also the answer of first question. According to Indian tradition, a guest is to be considered equal to God. Moreover, the service offered to guest is equal to service to God. A guest who comes to our house should have a very joyful and wonderful and memorable experience. This is answer number first also. Now, there are some points about the good hospitality. First one is welcome with the hearty smile. This is also answer number second. So students, whenever we have to welcome someone, do with the hearty smile. It is said that smile is the best cosmetic one can have on the face. Next point is namaste to welcome guests. Every culture has its own style of welcoming. Though the style of welcoming differs from culture to culture, but the spirit expressed is the same. In Indian culture, we use namaste to welcome guests. Next is handshake to express love. Giving a warm handshake is another expression of our love for the guest. But students, during this COVID-19 period, don't do handshake for our safety. Next is use polite language. As the guest enters the room, politely request him or her to take a seat. Make sure the language we use is polite and decent. Next point is offer something to drink. Offer the guest something to drink like water, juice, coffee, tea and something like that. Next is make the guest comfortable. This is also answer number third. When we are the host, it is our duty to make the guest feel at home. Though he is away from his original home, he should not feel it. Only then the guest will feel comfortable with us. Next is make the guest happy. Being host, we should be able to understand the likes and dislikes of the guest. Our purpose is to make the guest happy. Next is Interact with the guest. We should actively interact with the guest. Make sure we listen what they say. It is very easy to talk, however, it is very difficult to listen. Next is inquire about the visitor. Inquire about his family, studies, future plans, and anything that concerns the visitor. It will make the guest feel we are interested in him, her. Next is think from guest point of view. Think from guest point of view. We should treat a guest just as we would like to be treated when we are guests. Next is be a good host. When we are hosts, just think what we can do for our guests. Don't think of what they could do for us. Next is ready to help the visitor. We should always be ready to help the visitor. Even he doesn't openly ask for it, we should understand the situations and do accordingly. Next is guests have to be happy at our home. If the guests have to be happy at our home, there should be a spirit of love and understanding among the members of our family. Otherwise, they will feel out of place. Next is pay gratitude. If we are guests, we should thank the host for their love, concern, and help. The very thought that we are grateful will make them happy. Then speak with the positive attitude. We should always speak with the positive attitude. When it turns negative, the listener will be easily irritated. So students, this is all about your chapter. Now we will do the exercise. Question answers I have already discussed within the content. Now, true, false. The first is true, second is true, the third is false, and the fourth one is also false. So students, your chapter is completed. Thank you and have a nice day.